Hey guys, so we are here in Red Rock Canyon State Park in Southern California, and I got the sun in my eyes, and we are trying out the new CVT tent we got, which we put on the trailer. Got you put on the trailer a couple weeks ago, so this is the first trip with the CVT tent. We swapped it out for, I used to have a Smitty-built soft top, so this has got a hard top on it. It's like a hybrid style tent, so hard shell, and then it folds out this way, and then we have an annex on it. The annex is, well, it's funny, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm sitting on there's a little bit of a hill here, so the annex looks a little funky. The line is a little strange going this way, and it's bunched up because the fabric is meant to reach down much higher. Like if you had it on a really tall rooftop tent, you could, the fabric would go all the way down, but we don't have that, so it's bunched up. Also, there's a little bit of something going on with this line here. It doesn't seem straight. We're not sure why that is. It could be that the top isn't fully out, but anyway, we're gonna leave here today and go to Death Valley, and oh, here's Kai, and we're gonna go to Death Valley and set up again. But I wanted to show you the new addition to the trailer. For those of you who have watched our trailer videos and the trailer build, this is sort of the next step, was putting a higher grade tent on it. I actually got it on a pretty good sale. This is the Mount Thiessen from CVT, so it's kind of their higher end tent, but they had a really good sale, like 40 or 50% off going on, so I decided to pull the trigger on it. So what to show you here, let's look inside. So here's the annex. Hopefully the light will hold up in here. So this is really cool. This is the first time I've actually used an annex on a rooftop tent. This is the, these poles hold it up. It's staked out in front. Then up in here, you can see up in there is the actual sleeping area. You got both windows open. One thing really nice about this tent is it's super dark in here. I mean, we're in the desert, so it's pretty sunny out here, and both the last 2 mornings we've woken up, I couldn't tell if it was daylight or not. Honestly, it's that dark. So that's really nice. We've been able to sleep in till like, 7 o'clock each morning because it's so dark in here. Also, I think with that hard shell roof, it's a little quieter. There's a highway a little ways over there, and also people drive by. And hi Kai. Hi. And so there is some road noise, and then there's a little road here in the campground where people go by occasionally, but it's pretty quiet. We've slept really well. It has a 3-inch mattress on it, which is nice. It's still firm for my taste. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out how my 50-year-old self is gonna sleep comfortably on these firm mattresses. So we're working on that. I might get a mattress topper for it if I can get it to fold up easily.
I know she was so quiet that I tried waking Daddy up, but I wasn't able to.
Oh yeah, I was sleeping so well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Another nice thing about this is it's been pretty chilly in the mornings and at night. So I have a buddy heater and a propane tank here, and we've been turning on this in the morning, which heats up the annex, and then we open this door and it warms it up in here, right?
Yep.
It's pretty warm. And then we do it right before night. We kind of heat the whole thing up before we go to bed. The tent came with these little organizers, little pockets.
And I found a arrow.
Oh yeah, look at that. And these shoe holders, which are nice. And then I've got down there, I've got one of my Pelican boxes, which I've decided that's the thing I keep, like, stuff when we first get to camp and we need to set up quickly. That's all the essentials for setting up camp. And I'm keeping that, right now I'm keeping that in the back of the trailer, so we can just pull that out and go. Let's see. All right, what else outside?
It's also metal.
It's also metal. Then, really the outside just looks the same over here as it did on the other side. So you can see how the fabric here is kind of, I don't know if you can see that, the light's pretty dark, but you can see how the fabric's bunched up. And there's the window. All right, that's the tent. Excited to use it. So far it's been really nice, really enjoying it, and it's nice to have a little bit of an upgrade on a tent. So it's just sort of thicker fabric, a little easier to set up with the folding hard top, and nicer mattress, a few different things. Anyway, so we're packing up, and where are we headed?
Death Valley.
Death Valley, that's right.